Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Excel and a workbook so you can immediately see changes. Once done, go to File then Options. This puts you in control of display and accessibility tweaks. Make sure you have a visible worksheet selected so cursor changes are obvious. Next, navigate to the Advanced pane and also note Ease of Access or Display settings in your OS. These are the first actionable areas where cursor color and visibility settings are controlled. Now focus on the middle steps where Excel and the operating system meet. In Windows, open Settings, Ease of Access, then mouse pointer to change pointer color and size so your caret is easier to find. Back in Excel's advanced options, ensure Show Selection and related display options are enabled. These affect how the active cell outline appears. If needed, use a high contrast theme or custom pointer color so you can clearly see the active cell and typing position. Finish by saving settings and restarting Excel so all display tweaks take effect. Some pointer and theme changes require a restart. Make sure Windows theme or display drivers are compatible. If the cursor color still doesn't change, update graphics drivers and reapply the pointer color. If the active cell border behaves oddly, start Excel in safe mode to rule out add-ins. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle high contrast off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.